All right, well, one down, one to go. So I had 10 feet of the 50-foot roll left over. And that 10 foot would have been enough to wrap this if you so choose. I tried it, didn't work very well. This is slippery because it's polished. This is slippery and it just wanting to slide all over, and there were big holes and gaps with metal showing. And is there a performance issue with having this bare? It would probably be minuscule. I kind of like the lip from the weld. It was a nice step that kind of kept the wrap from sliding this way. And when I started this, I start on this end and work toward the flange on every single one of these. I took the end of the wrap and I slid it between the tubes and pinched it, and then started wrapping. And that's a good way instead of coming from the top down, because if you drive in the rain, which I don't, but if you do and water is splashing on here, it will run off like shingles on a roof instead of running into the fibers. I'm not saying your fibers won't get wet or that your headers won't get wet. They will, but at least you're not forcing water and dirt up inside your wrap. So it started at the end there and wrapped around, and then I got onto the last pipe, which was this one, and I pulled it down and I brought it around and I overlapped it right there. So it comes around, overlaps a little here. I kind of push it into it and force it in, and then again right here, force it over, and then wrap all the way around to the end, and then I clamp it. I can't see it all that well, but I do fold it over. I take the end and fold it toward the flange and make a nice 45 there, and then I hold it with a plastic zip tie until I get the clamp ready to go, and then put the clamp on and tighten it. I don't tighten extremely tight. I tighten tight, but I don't wail on them. It's not necessary. So anyway, yeah, you can see a clamp there, but it'll be on the inboard side. You're not going to notice it. Anyway, if there's any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share, whatever you want. I appreciate you stopping by. Have a good day.